I was getting arrested because we're surfing. Yeah, what's wrong with that? I don't even know what's wrong with that. Seriously. Oh no, I'm getting arrested. Okay, here you go. Slip down. Fresh moves. Go this way. And then that way. This way. You don't have to go on a hoverboard? Okay. Oh, yeah, I rock. Not to mention that I am playing Subway Surfers. I missed the elevator. Oh my gosh. High score, yeah. Let's see. Me. Jake. Not a dark out. We're gonna move this real quick. I'm gonna select Jake right now. I'm gonna use a normal hoverboard. Starboard. What was that? That's just Superman white tee stuff. Not to mention. Yeah, on a live stream. Him. I think TYT. Okay. We need to keep on going. Okay, gotta get up. Look, we're on the... Literally, look. We're on a jetpack right now. Go. Oh, we're going. Okay, we're getting letters right now. Oh, you almost got hit. That was cool. Did you see one where you were sliding there? Oh! No. Yay. Oh my gosh, I completed so many quests. Did you see that, guys? This is my skill. Oh, here is it. Now to try the dark outfit. I guys just literally normally Subway Surfers New Orchids. I'm not playing Subway Surfers New Orchids. I'm playing the normal Subway Surfers. That's okay. Slide down. That bad policeman cannot catch me now. Because I'm too fast for him. Not a double tap. If you're watching this, after you watch this, you should check out his stream. Then he's fun. Not like some of you. Great. Now I'm on top, and nothing can catch me. What? Did you see that? That was cool. Comment barely if you see this. See that move where I barely dodged that obstacle. Gotta keep on going. Jumping on coins. Ah! Yeah, that's cool. Not like some of you. Yay! Have another 3-part shop. See, daily gift free. Yeah, a key. Oh my gosh. I don't care about these ads. I have to dumbbells. I don't care about this right now. Now I'm going back to the cheek. I'm gonna, yeah. Yeah, so cool.
If you hear this.
PR. Yeah, comment PR if you see this. Or you can type something even harder. XX player demon XX. Type PLR. Gotta go. Then double tap. And up here. Get that. What? I didn't know that was even a quest. Almost. J. Okay. Maybe we unlock new characters when we get all of those. Right? Oh my gosh. These boots are so funny. Do we even fit in them? We're so good at this. Jump over. Aww. Oh my gosh. Let's keep their progress safe now. Yes, I will. It's not. Or let's keep on going. Go. Let's keep on going because we don't have much time. Oh my gosh. Ah! See that barely. I barely dodged that. Did you see that? Comment barely. Again. If you see this. Ah! Why did it throw on my screen? I feel serious right now. And guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, then like and subscribe. And bye. We'll play this again. Don't worry.